When I went into being a nurse, I really wanted to be there to help people not get sick. My whole thought was, do we really have to have so much of this illness? Is there a way that we don't need to experience a lot of the sickness and illness that we happen to have? I went into nursing being a little bit green and a lot naive and thinking that I could save the world. And found out that healthcare really isn't about, it's not about health. It's more about illness. I wanted to do this retreat and resort. I wanted to bring those things forward, but I also recognized that I needed to hook myself up with the right people that knew the structures, that knew the processes, that had the direction worked out. This is what the RetreatBoss Certification does. It provides you with structure, step by step. It provides you with all of the things you need to do to actually hook your dream onto so that you can move forward easily without a lot of stumbling around and trying to figure out, what did I do that created that particular mess? This structure, the RetreatBoss certificates, really does provide the confidence, the clarity of what to do next, who to connect with, how to connect with them. What is all of the things I should be looking for in a contract? That's what that program, that structure, that scaffolding, if you will, so that I could actually build up my dream on it. And then what I did get out of it was I got all that and more, because I got all of your experiences. I got all of Catherine's experiences, all of Catherine's knowledge. I got a lot of the nuances that you don't get unless you're actually working with someone who is that mentor, that person that can lead you through and you can bounce ideas off of as you move through the process. So why wouldn't you? It's, to me, that's the bonus. It's, yeah, you get the structure, yeah, you get the certificate, but there's much more to this than just getting the certificate. This is about creating your people around you, your tribe around you. You're not doing this by yourself. You're now able to move forward as a front, if you will.